In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide speaker notes in Google Slides while presenting. If you've ever found yourself caught off guard because your speaker notes are visible to your audience, you know just how important it is to master this skill. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, you need to open Google Slides and select the presentation you want to work with. If you're not already signed into your Google account, make sure to do so. Once you're in Google Slides, locate your desired presentation by scrolling through your drive or by using the search bar. Click on it to open the presentation. Now that your presentation is open, let's focus on transitioning into presentation mode. At the top right corner of the screen, there's a Present button, which allows you to start your slideshow. Click on this button to enter presentation mode, but remember, if you don't hide your speaker notes beforehand, they will be visible to your audience on the shared screen. To keep the notes hidden, you'll want to leverage the Presenter View option in Google Slides. This is a nifty feature built into Google Slides specifically for presenters who may need to see their notes while ensuring that the audience only sees the slides themselves. To activate Presenter View, click on the arrow next to the Present button, revealing a drop-down menu, and select Presenter View from the list. Once you've entered Presenter View, a new window will pop up. This separate window is where your speaker notes will live, meaning only you can see them during the presentation. This is essential to maintain a seamless and professional delivery without accidentally revealing anything to your audience that they shouldn't see. For those who might find switching between windows during a live presentation daunting, a good tip is to practice this flow several times before your actual presentation. Familiarizing yourself with the transition will boost your confidence and ensure that your virtual audience sees only what you intend them to see. Lastly, if you want to enhance your experience further, consider using a second monitor or a connected display. By doing this, you can dedicate one screen to your presentation view while using the other for your speaker notes, which allows for smoother transitions and more fluid interactions with your slides. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to keep your speaker notes private while using Google Slides. Practice these simple steps to enhance your presentation skills and ensure that you maintain the professionalism you strive for in every presentation you give. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.